Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to delete your WhatsApp account. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to click on your WhatsApp account, after which you click on these three dots up here. Once you're there, you click on what settings. After that, you click on what account, after which you click on delete my account. Once you're there, you scroll down and you simply choose your country. After choosing your country, you insert the WhatsApp number that you want to delete from WhatsApp. Once you are done with that, you simply click on delete my account. After that, you simply need to give the reason why you are deleting your account so that WhatsApp can actually improve their platform. So I'm going to click on, yep, I changed my device. That's right, thanks. After that, you click on delete my account. After that, you simply click again on delete my account. So your account is deleting. So we just successfully deleted our account. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
All my hope was fading.